Boost your immune system through eating healthy food. Consider RURU mushrooms in your diet. Explore a variety of recipes that fits your taste.
Mushroom itself is anti-cancer, antioxidant, and most especially the mushroom can produce, or you can increase the level of vitamin D just by exposing it to sunlight or the ultraviolet light, and it can generate vitamin D that converts it into, they called it ergosterol, which is a vitamin D2.
RURU mushrooms, a farm that produces one-of-a-kind, fresh, and naturally grown white angel oyster mushrooms.
Mushroom would go through a different phases, so like decomposition, and then pasteurization, incubation, and then of course the fruiting stage and the harvesting. So all of this should be taken into consideration. It's a tedious process, but if you love what you are doing, then you don't get tired.
Try to make special dishes with these white angel oyster mushrooms and savor these delectable RURU mushroom chips with a variety of flavors. Perfect as a souvenir or gift this season. Visit RURU Mushrooms at F. Locson Drive, Lumiap, Barangay Divisoria, Zamboanga City. Check out their Facebook page, RURU Mushrooms. Contact RURU Mushrooms at 0975-034-2680 or 0975-752-3979 or email them at rurumushrooms@gmail.com. RURU Mushrooms, freshly guaranteed.